Welcome to this video from Allprint Supplies, which will demonstrate how to create quick change signs and graphics for retail, point of sale and other dynamic sign and graphic environments. With this material combination, even the newest team member can now update wall display graphics and promotion signs quickly, cleanly and tidily. FCP150 is a ferrous-coated printable PET film from our specialty non-adhesive product range. It is ideal for quick change graphics within retail and other dynamic quick change environments. FCP150 consists of a stable polyester film coated for use with eco-solvent and latex ink printers. The product has a black ferrous coating on the reverse side which clings easily to a magnetised surface and doubles up as a blockout over the previous graphics. It is ideal for simple, easy to use, easy to apply and easy to change graphics. In addition, the FCP150 film can be applied in up to 3 layers without the need to remove old graphics, saving both time and money. Why use self-adhesive magnetic and FCP150 combination to create quick change graphics? This quick change application consists of only 2 key parts. One is a permanent magnetic wall made of our self-adhesive magnetic material, which is left in situ, and 2 changeable graphics made with FCP150, which cling onto the magnetic wall, and these can be changed or replaced as often as your campaign dictates. The magnetic wall will need professional installation to ensure a smooth, stable base for the graphics. We will cover the preparation and manufacture of this magnetic wall later in the video. However, once the magnetic wall is in place, here are a few of the best features of this dynamic material combination. Changing graphics is simple and easy. There's no need for professional installers to be called in. It is completely mess-free and fuss-free. Incredibly quick changes of point of sale and promotional messages can become the norm. Individual retail environments can better control rapidly changing but predictable customer messaging. FCP150 offers vibrant print quality and a satin white finish on the print side that reduces light reflections and glare. Anyone can easily apply up to 3 layers of graphics that can be rearranged in any order and as many times as you like. Here are the materials and the tools you will need to complete the job. There are 2 distinct parts to this package, so we'll deal with each part separately. To create the magnetic wall, you will need APS 0.55mm self-adhesive magnetic material. We supply this in convenient 1 metre wide rolls. It is a non-printable magnetic backing sheet onto which the quick change FCP150 elements of the sign are positioned. You may want to use a suitable print vinyl, although this is optional. The self-adhesive magnetic is brown in colour, so if there are periods where the magnetic wall will not be covered in FCP150, you can choose a suitable print vinyl to create a more attractive plain white or bespoke printed cover as a base layer. You will also need a rigid backing board. We recommend the magnetic backing sheet is applied to a rigid backing board such as standard foam board PVC, a minimum of 5mm deep, or rigid Dibond aluminium sheets. These rigid sheets can be securely fixed to walls or frames within the retail or point of sale environment to provide an extremely flat, robust and durable surface for the magnetic wall to fit onto. To create the interchangeable graphic panels, you will only need one product. FCP150 is a stable ferrous PET coated polyester film that can be printed with eco-solvent and latex inks. This printable material can be applied up to 3 layers deep onto our self-adhesive magnet. And finally, you will need a couple of basic sign maker's tools to complete the work. Use Rapid Tack application fluid and a felt-edged squeegee to apply the printed or unprinted vinyl to the self-adhesive magnetic backing sheet. This layer is optional as you don't have to cover the magnet if not needed. You will also need a workbench or work table. This needs to be of a suitable size to put together, trim and finish the base magnetic layer with or without a printed or unprinted vinyl backing sheet, and also to trim out the interchangeable FCP150 graphic elements. And finally, to attach the rigid backing sheets and magnetic material combination onto walls within the retail point of sale environment, you will need a toolkit with an electric screwdriver or UHB ultra-high bond tape. End users do not need any applicators or tools to apply FCP150 interchangeable film. All the end user needs is a basic idea of where the elements need to be positioned on the backing sheet to achieve maximum impact for the sign within its environment. End users will also need a clean, dry cloth for general housekeeping to keep any dirt off the materials, and especially from building up over time between the magnetic sign layers, as this may reduce the strength of the magnet holding the layers in position. Allprint Supplies stock everything you will need to create quick change graphics, and all of our 3,000 plus strong range of materials for sign makers and printers are available for next day delivery anywhere on the UK mainland. When planning your quick change signage, first check all application surfaces are suitable. Your designer is the expert in point of sale and retail signage, and they will know best as to where to situate effective retail signage for maximum impact. But before application can begin, installers must ensure the intended application surface is of a good condition, i.e. there are no cracks in the plaster or on surfaces where surface material is breaking away, as the application area should ideally be very smooth in order to make a reasonable looking and effective sign. But remember, quick change signage must be situated to allow safe, unobtrusive and reasonably easy access to change each sign once in situ. When applying FCP 150, end users will have absolutely no problems changing and repositioning the interchangeable graphics. We would suggest FCP 150 graphic panels are rolled up with the image face in, positioned accurately at the top of the panel and then simply rolled down into place. No fuss, no mess. Simply peel off the FCP 150 graphic element from the surface and reattach in a different position or replace with a different FCP 150 graphic. Thanks for watching our video to demonstrate how to create quick change retail and promotional graphics with Allprint Supplies FCP 150 and self-adhesive magnetic film. For more product application videos from Allprint Supplies, visit our YouTube channel or our website allprint.co.uk for the very latest information and product news, or contact our sales offices on the number shown at the bottom of your screen now.